All right, so the plan for the day is to head on downstream. We got a lot of miles to make today, okay? We got to get below 240 someplace. So we'll have rapids pretty much all day, starting right here with Whitmore Rapids.
After instructions, the morning offered the chance to chill, or for our new friend Ian, the chance to learn the language of the boat pilot.
That's how you run lava falls.
Friday was our last chance to enjoy the rapids, and we made the most of it as we continued ever onward toward our goal, while enjoying the beauty of the canyon all around us. By now, we all knew the routine of keeping the boat clean, and were excited to get the chance to stretch our legs, grab our water bottles, and hike back to take in the incredible view from Three Springs Canyon at mile 216, before finding a new spot and some welcome shade for another picturesque lunch. Soon we were back on the river for the hottest day of our journey, and any sort of makeshift shade was very, very welcome in the boats. At mile 224, we passed by majestic Diamond Peak, then headed back out to the cooling waters of Travertine Canyon. After our first round of soaking, and boy did that feel good, we hiked further into the canyon, then took turns going one by one and using an existing rope and ladder setup that allowed us to climb back to the Travertine Grotto for some quiet relaxation among the beauty of our last waterfall of the trip. After cooling off and traversing back to our boats, we hit the final series of rapids on the trip and made sure to hit them hard. We also made sure to leave our mark on one last set of fellow canyon travelers as well. After passing Separation Canyon, off came the life jackets and the boats were lashed together to celebrate formally leaving Grand Canyon National Park. We quickly found a cool spot to beat the heat near our campsite amidst the rocky beach that allowed for plenty of privacy to unpack and set up, all in plenty of time to enjoy the special Mexican Fiesta dinner, share some stories, and take in one last sunset on the canyon walls.
Down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside, I'm gonna lay down.